Now I am going to reveal the top secrets of Buddhist meditation. Now you can see two objects. Both of these objects are called meditation plates or plates of divination, or otherwise they can be called hypnotic plates. It is very easy to make a hypnotic plate and continue the meditation of divination. Shall we see how to start this meditation? If you want to do the red kasina, you can make this kind of meditation plate with a piece of paper and piece of cardboard. We have to fix the piece of paper on the white colored cardboard and make a stand and place it on a rigid place. This multicolored meditation object is the most surprising thing I have seen. Now shall we learn how to do the meditation with this meditation plate? You have to cut a cardboard square which is in brown color, 15 inches long and 15 inches wide, and take a piece of white paper and draw 3 circles. The first and middle circle is 5 inches in diameter. The second circle is 8 inches in diameter, and the third and final one is 11 inches in diameter. You can take a piece of paper and draw these 3 circles and cut the 11 inches round, and then cut 5 inches hole inside. Then you are ready to make the meditation plate. You have to draw a circle in the middle of white colored object. You can see the circle well here. Then you have to find a piece of black colored cloth. Fix the piece of black colored cloth behind that white colored object. Then fix the white colored object on the meditation plate. Then you can see a meditation plate like this. Shall we see how to proceed with this meditation? As the first step of the meditation, you have to place the meditation plate about 10 feet ahead of you. Then come to a cross-leg posture and balance your body, relax your body, and then gaze on the meditation plate. Continue gazing at the meditation plate. You have to enchant a mantra, Om Mani Padme Hum. Little by little, you will see a bright halo around this meditation plate. Then continue looking at and continue reciting the mantra like this. Now you can imitate me. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. However, you must be careful to enchant the mantra vibrating your body. You must recite the mantra in low pitch, not in high pitch. Look at me. Om Mani Padme Hum. Let your body to vibrate with mantra. When your body is vibrating and when you are reciting the mantra continuously, you will see totally different thing. You will see this black colored object is gradually turning into yellow colored sphere. Then you will see the sphere is spinning. That is the most surprising thing in this meditation. Then meditation is almost successful. The next thing and next step you have to do is to continue with that. Continue enchanting Om Mani Padme Hum. Finally, you will come into a deep trance. When you are about to come into a deep trance, gently close your eyes and then pay attention to the scene which you see through your closed eyes. Even after closing your eyes, miraculously you will see various colored objects in front of you. Then when you continue with this technique, finally you will come to a deep trance. When you are in the deep trance, automatically enchanting will stop. That is the most important thing. Your enchanting of mantra will automatically stop and you will be in the deep trance.